How to use Google Forms tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use Google Forms to create professional forms and surveys within Google for free. So let's get started. When it comes to Google Apps, we know a lot of different apps such as Gmail, Google Drive, and we have Google Meets and Calendar. But do you know that we also get a very powerful tool which is known as Google Forms that allows us to create our own forms and surveys within Google. So let's get started and let me actually show you how to use Google Forms and how you can create your own professional surveys. Now what you have to do is simply go to your Google Drive. In Google Drive, go to New, and then we will find the option of Google Forms right here. Let's open it up. So this is our Google Forms right here. In here, I can simply go ahead and create my own surveys for free. Now, let me actually show you what are the different features we're getting in Google Forms. So the first thing is going to be, of course, giving name to our survey. Let's say that I want to create a survey for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and call it. So I'm going to give my document the name of How to Global Form. And again, to add the title, I'm going to go ahead and keep the same title here. Then I can simply go ahead and add the form description right here. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and simply type in the description. So this is the description for my form. Here, I will be adding all the questions that will be included in my form. Then we have the responses option, and here I will be able to check all the responses that I got. Then we have the settings, and in here I will be able to do different settings such as responses, presentation, make this a quiz, or default settings such as forms and question defaults. So for now, let's go back to questions and let me show you how you actually create a form. Once the form is created, after that we can simply send it to anyone to do the survey. Then we have the customized theme right here. Let's go to the theme, and right now you can see it is purple. I can simply go ahead and change the theme of my form. Let's go with this one. This one looks pretty good. I can also change the font style. Right now it's basic, but I can go with a formal one, maybe playful or basic. Now let's add a question. So the first question is going to be, have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? So now I can simply add different options. So the first option is yes, and the second option is no. This is actually a multiple choice question. But if I want to change the type of the question, I can simply go ahead and do that. I can change it to multiple choice, checkbox, and drop down. So right now I am going with multiple choice. Okay, so this is going to be my first question. I can add an image to this question. I can import a question. I can add a title and description, add an image, video, and add a section as well. So for now, let's keep this one like this. And let's move on to another question. So this is going to be my second question. And this question is going to be a drop down. So the question is, have you seen this video? Yes and no. Actually, let's go ahead and add a video. So I will simply add the video option. We have YouTube right here. Now I will simply copy the link of the video and paste it right here. So I have copied the link from our YouTube channel, and now I will simply paste it right here and search. There you go. Select the video and add it right here. So now you can see right here, I have added our video in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the video title. Then I can simply go ahead and duplicate this question if I want to. If I want to delete a question, I can just simply go ahead and do that as well. Now, what I can do is simply go ahead and add a new. So this one is going to be a checkbox. Now, what I have to do is simply type in the question again, and then I can add different options right here. If I go to this option right here, I will be able to add a new title and description. So this depends on us that what kind of form you are creating. You can simply go with all questions. You can add different videos and photos. Then you can go with a drop-down menus, or you can simply go with a heading and description. This way you will be able to simply go ahead and add a very professional form of your own. Then we have this option right here which says add section. Add section simply means that I will be able to create a new section to my form. You can see right here, this is going to be the second section. Let's say that I can simply go ahead and add questions in the first section. Then in the second section, I can go ahead and add images and videos. We can also import questions from other sites as well. And we can simply go ahead and add questions from our already created forms. And then I can actually go ahead and move a section, duplicate it, delete, and merge with above. Let's go ahead and delete this section for now. There you go, I have just one section. If I want to change a question or move a question, I can just simply go ahead and do that. Let's say that I want to put this question above all, or maybe let's move this question. When it comes to creating a question, I can simply go ahead and upload a file as well. Then we have linear scale, multiple choice grade, and tick box grade as well. You can change the grade for your question. Let's go ahead and choose the multiple choice one. This is what it will look like. If I want to go with a tick box grade, then it will look like this. Let's go with a linear scale. Then you also have this option where you can simply add if this question is required or it is just optional. To delete a question, you simply click right here. Then we have this option right here where I can simply go ahead and add the description for my question. So this is how you simply create professional forms and surveys with Google Form. And it has a lot of different tools and features for you. And it's really easy to use. Now I can simply go to responses and I will be able to check the responses for my survey. This is really easy to check. You simply click on responses and then you will simply be able to get insights to your survey. Then we have the settings right here. If I want to make this survey a quiz, I can simply go ahead and do that and then people will be able to submit the feedback. Then I can simply go ahead and check the responses, form defaults, and question defaults as well. Once everything is done and you feel like your survey has been created, just simply click on send and then you can simply send your form via email, link, or you can embed this form on your website. So you will simply get a link. If you want to shorten the link, you can simply click right here and get a short link. Simply copy the link and share it on your social media or wherever you want to. If you want to send this on email, you simply type in the email of the receiver and then you will be able to send this survey in email. That is how simple it is to send this survey to people and get responses. And that is how Google Forms make it easy for you to create your own professional surveys within Google. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Google Forms. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.